What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from everyone knows what the heck this is, right? A Beetle. But what you don't know is this is a very special Beetle. Very special. It is a 2006 TDI. Only year with the refresh body. They refreshed it from 05 to 06. You can look it up. New tail lights, new wheel choices, a few other little details. But the TDI was offered in 06 and then it was gone. And this thing has 75,000 miles. $75,000 miles. I've always liked this vintage. It's got a check engine light. Damn. Let's take it for a ride. Got a broken door handle. This is rare right here. Rare bird. I was hoping it'd run a little better. It seems like it's a little harsh, maybe some, but you know, diesels are hard on motor mounts and things like this. Be curious what the check engine light's for. Not sure if we got any AC here. So we do have heated seats. It's a sunroof car, pretty cool. Let's put down the window. Let's take her for a little drive. I came out here especially for this little car today, because these are, they're actually a little bit worthy, because you can't find them anymore. 06 TDIs are hard to find in Jetta, Golf, or Beetles, and one with only 75,000 miles. Seriously? Okay, needs front struts. God dang. The old turbo's still building some boost. The air's cold. Well, it's not bad. It's not 100%, but she's blowing a lot of black smoke. Oh boy, I think somebody's done some EGR deleting on this thing or something. It's a little too sluggish. I know it only has 100 horsepower, but it should be better than this. Yeah, not the greatest, but the air's cold and the interior is clean. The leather and everything's really clean, and it's got a aftermarket stereo, Sony. Not sure how good that is. Oh yeah, it's a little smoker. She's just puffing away. Well, I was hoping it would be better than what it is. But I'm a little let down. I mean, of course she could be fixed up. I'd have to take her in and find out what the check engine light's for. I have no idea if the timing belt's been changed. Timing belt was very important on these. Coolant looks good. It's got the right coolant in it. I don't know if anything's been deleted on this thing. EGR related or any kind of whatever someone would delete on. A little greasy, but it sounds just like a good running TDI. I think it may need just some motor mounts. The motor mounts probably go a long way for this thing. Alright, we got a new tire there. A Continental on the back that looks, I don't know, 70%. I think someone put that on there. I don't think TDIs were labeled. Another Continental with about 75% tread. And then we got a Continental up here that's got a bad alignment problem, or at least something's going on the outer edge. It's a Florida car, so we got plenty of wheel corrosion. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to pass. Hard pass. Hard pass. I mean, if she sells for $1,000, I'll buy her, but hard pass. Anyway, 2006 Volkswagen Beetle TDI, very rare car. And I'm a very disappointed person. I was hoping she'd be a little bit nicer than she is, but hey, she's 16 years old. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.